Okay, are you ready?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
I was born ready.
Okay, perfect. So let's start. Okay. Tell us with a sentence. For me, climate change is. So, up to you. What's
come
climate
on.
change for you?
Come on, I mean, you're coming with real scientific questions.
For me, it's a very interesting topic.
It's getting warmer.
So whenever I think of climate change, I think of water on the streets, and all the snow will melt and we will drown. We'll be drowned.
If you talk about anthropogenic climate change, well, the main reason is the greenhouse gas emission that we put in the atmosphere the last 150 years. That's the main reason of anthropogenic climate change. The main question is not so much the cause of climate change, but the response of the Earth to climate change.
It's more CO2 in the atmosphere.
The main reason, I think it's human beings doing bad things to nature.
Of course, everybody say that will be the greenhouse gases that is rising, you know, the concentration, and also the concentration of anthropogenic aerosols.
But you are not saying that.
I have to study more.
I don't know, that's what I'm investigating.
I'm not an expert, but I would say that it's maybe the pollution the people are making all over the world.
Well, we should trust scientists by definition. If the scientist is doing his work properly, we can trust him. Politicians have a more difficult task because they have to deal with incomplete information.
Scientists. And the scientists tell us the truth. The politicians can lie to us easily. If they are well informed. I mean, scientists should be informed, otherwise they are not good scientists. But politicians should be always aware of what scientists are doing. And then you can trust politicians. But first check if they have good interaction with scientists.
About politicians? No, you shouldn't trust them.
That's what I...
Why?
Why? Because it's obvious they do that is profitable for them. They say what is profitable for them.
I'm not sure if they're telling us the truth, because actually they don't know. I think they're just thinking about the next elections, not about 20 years. I would go for scientists.
Of course I trust scientists. I'm a scientist.
Neither. I don't think they know that much.
People should be aware of the impact of their own behavior. So it does not make sense to me to waste energy if you don't have to waste energy. So be aware of what you do. But of course, personal awareness is not enough. There should be some global awareness, or let's say regional awareness, also about the impact of behavior.
Not individually, no. A single person cannot change the whole world. Yes. It has to be a group effort.
That's a tough question. I don't know. I think it might, but hard to believe.
I think personal initiative is not in contrast with policy. It can be that policy can help people to understand that we personally have to take action on this.
We have to be united.
Yes, it has to be a united effort all around the world.
Every time one stone, and then it's like pushing other stones.
Of course, everybody should do something.
No, I really don't think so. It has to be at a political level.
Everybody can change the habits.
Change them.
I would reduce the emissions, but you have to reduce the emissions in an honest way. I mean, everybody's pointing towards China and India because they are polluting most, but that's not fair. I mean, we have to look at ourselves, the Western world, so what can we do, and which example can we set to the rest of the world. And that's the important message we have to give, and not point to the others.
If I would be Barack Obama, I would try to make the people do good things about the environment. So I would give them awards if they stop using cars a lot and stop doing things.
But I think the first thing I would ask is to not waste the resources of the planet that much. Mainly trees, because trees give us oxygen and it's a vital gas.
I would like to immediately start to do something to make the world better.
I don't know. I don't want to be Barack Obama.
Every president actually talks to the adults, and the children are a bit left out.
I think everybody would listen to a child who has something important to say.
I think I would. Thanks God I'm not Barack Obama. I don't have to answer to this question.
And respect the nature.
Like really respect it.
Hi, Min. How are you? Fine?
This color and she's green, so I think we are complementary.
Yeah, you are.
But I am already complementary myself. I don't need you.
Next question I will answer after you teach me how to dance tango.
Adam.
Yeah.
Do you think individual...
My name is Ilinka. My name is Maria. I'm Patricia.
My name is Matej.
Impact on climate change. So let's say that you are Barack Obama. What will you do? What will be the first thing that you do?
There is a video.
Yeah, sorry.
And I'm allergic.
Rec. Now it's recording. So, do you think individual actions can make the difference?
Yes? Are you recording? I don't see the red light.
No, I thought you were a guy from the street in Bucharest. You said you're from Cologne.
Oh, you have to cut it out. Because I came from Bucharest.